Tired of wasting time with slow label printing, messy setups, or unreliable printers? The right label printer can make shipping, organizing, and business labeling faster, cleaner, and far more efficient. But which models are actually worth your money, and which ones stand above the rest? Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Now let's get started. Number 1. Brother QL 820 NWB Label Printer. The Brother QL 820 NWB is a premium network label printer designed for users who want speed, flexibility, and professional output in one compact device. One of its biggest strengths is connectivity. It supports Bluetooth, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, 802.11b/G/N, and USB, making it easy to integrate into home offices, shared workspaces, or small business environments. This flexibility allows multiple users to print labels from different devices without hassle. Performance is another highlight, as the printer can produce up to 110 standard address labels per minute at a crisp 300 dpi resolution, ensuring sharp text and clean barcodes. A standout feature is its ability to print two-color labels, black and red, using DK 2251 label rolls, which is ideal for highlighting warnings, promotions, or priority information without needing ink. The built-in monochrome LCD screen enables standalone operation, letting users print basic labels without a computer. Number 2. DYMO Thermal Label Printer. The DYMO LabelWriter 450 Twin Turbo is built for efficiency and convenience, especially for offices and small businesses that handle frequent labeling tasks. Its dual-roll design is the star feature, allowing users to load two different label types at the same time and switch between them instantly without changing roles. This significantly improves workflow when printing address labels, shipping labels, or file labels back-to-back. The direct thermal printing technology eliminates the need for ink or toner, reducing long-term operating costs and maintenance. Integration is another strong point, as labels can be created directly from common programs like Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook, and Google Contacts, making it very accessible for everyday users. Print quality is sharp and consistent, ensuring professional-looking labels with accurate text alignment. Number 3. Westinghouse FedEx Label Printer. The Westinghouse FedEx Label Printer is a practical solution tailored for shipping and e-commerce needs, particularly for users who require dependable 4x6 label printing. Designed to work across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, it offers broad compatibility and supports ZPL software, making it suitable for professional shipping workflows. With a top print speed of 6 inches per second at 203 dpi, it delivers clear, readable shipping labels with sharp text and barcodes. The direct thermal technology removes the need for ink, ribbons, or toner, keeping operating costs low and maintenance simple. This printer supports both fanfold labels and label rolls, with flexible media width and thickness options, allowing it to adapt to different shipping requirements. Ethernet connectivity enables network integration, though it is not Bluetooth capable, which may limit mobile use. Setup requires proper driver installation, but once configured, the printer performs consistently. Number 4. Arkscan 2054 A Label Printer. The Arkscan 2054 A Label Printer stands out as a versatile, business-focused thermal printer built to handle a wide range of labeling tasks. It supports an impressive list of platforms and shipping services, including Amazon FBA, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, FedEx, UPS, and USPS, making it highly adaptable for online sellers and warehouses. The printer can handle labels from 0.75 inches to 4.25 inches wide and up to 90 inches long, supporting both roll and fanfold media for maximum flexibility. With a printing speed of 5 inches per second, it balances efficiency and reliability for daily operations. A major advantage is the inclusion of Bartender Ultralight software for Windows, which provides robust label design tools for text, graphics, and barcodes. Arkscan's US-based technical support is another strong selling point, offering real-time assistance through phone, live chat, and remote access, which is invaluable for businesses that cannot afford downtime. Print quality is consistent and suitable for shipping, inventory, and product labels. Number 5. MUNBYN RW405B Label Printer. The MUNBYN RW405B Label Printer is a modern, feature-rich thermal printer designed for users who want both efficiency and creative flexibility. Built for long-term use, it boasts an impressive lifespan of up to 970,000 labels and a replaceable print head, significantly reducing maintenance costs. Its near-zero jam rate ensures smooth operation even during high-volume printing sessions. Setup is quick and user-friendly, with Bluetooth connectivity and driver-free integration for major shipping platforms like Amazon, FedEx, UPS, USPS, Etsy, and eBay. A standout feature is its dual-color thermal printing capability, allowing black/red or black/blue labels for enhanced visual impact, ideal for branding or priority markings. The printer delivers precise alignment thanks to its advanced auto-calibration technology. Stay organized and save time with the best label printers. Whether for home, office, or professional use, these printers make labeling effortless, accurate, and reliable. Invest in one today to simplify your workflow, keep everything clearly marked, and enjoy a neat, efficient, and stress-free environment every day.